Sensory marketing is a strategy that seeks to reach all the senses to generate the desire to buy. And for this, it uses situations, environments, or messages through which consumers can experience a series of sensations that they want to link with certain services or products. This strategy is important because emotions can impact on memory, being more effective than reason. The main advantages of sensory marketing are the construction and reinforcement of the identity of your brand, differentiates it from competitors, attract the attention of potential buyers. Loyalty to the customer increases the time of stay of your audience in the point of sale and creates positive experiences. Visually speaking, product presentation is critical. Colors, shapes, and sizes make the image and message last in the public's mind. The design of a corporate website, for example, seeks to customers remember the experience beyond the purchase. Moreover, it can stimulate the ear with pleasant melodies or sounds to gain consumer confidence. Sound logos representing trademarks are the best example. Linking a product to a certain aroma will also make your customers always remember it. If you have a restaurant, you will know how to do it, but also you can associate your brand with a taste by texts or images that evoke it.